Hey guys, Bobby here today. Hey folks, today we're working on our 2.5 liter Ford engine, and we got the cylinder head right here that we're going to do a little bit of work on today. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a little tip here on cleaning a cylinder head using shaving cream. Okay, it's an interesting little trick, so stay tuned. I'll show you what we do here. Okay guys, here's our cylinder head that we got back from the machine shop. Actually, the camshaft was in it and the rocker arms were in place, but I got to looking at this head and the guys just did not do a very good job of cleaning it. Okay, so we're going to go back and clean both the intake surface and the exhaust surface as well, and I'm going to try to keep this area as clean as possible because I'm not going to pull the they done a valve job on it, so I'm not going to pull the springs and the keepers and valves and everything back apart. I think we're good. We're going to cover this up with a towel, and then I'm going to show you what we do with shaving cream where we can eliminate the amount of dirt going down into the runner of the intake and exhaust. Okay folks, hey, what we're going to do is go ahead and clean this surface here where the exhaust manifold goes. It looks like it's got a lot of rust and crud here on here, and we're going to do the intake side as well. But I'm going to take a shop towel here and lay it right over part of this area here that I want to try to keep somewhat clean. We will go back and actually clean that area with brake clean. We might even do it in the bar saw vat, I'm not sure yet. But what I want to do, I want to clean this with my Ziz wheel, but I don't want a whole lot of extra stuff getting down here in my bores. So I'm going to take shaving cream and we're going to pile us up some shaving cream in each one of these, okay? And this is a little trick I learned years ago. Works real good when you're working on a vehicle, like doing something with the head still in the car, and you definitely don't want nothing going down in there. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm just going to wipe off the extra stuff right there. I've got my 90-degree die grinder here, and I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning the surface real good. And what you'll end up seeing is the fact that you get a little bit of the excess off of here, and I'm just going to lay it right here for right now. And what you're going to see is the dirt is going to stick to the top of the shaving cream, okay, while we clean this thing, and then we'll show you how we get this out in just a little bit. Okay folks, we got the surface nice and clean, and notice that all of our dirt did not go down into the exhaust runner. It stayed right here, stuck to the top of the shaving cream. So now let me show you what I do to get rid of that. We take our handy dandy shop vacuum here, okay? And I'm gonna go ahead and flip it on. And I don't know what's hanging out of there, but let's pull that out. We're gonna flip this on and suck the shaving cream right out. Okay, so now you see how easy we sucked all that out of there, and then it leaves a thin residue of shaving cream in there, of course, which I'm not worried about that right at the moment, because like I said, we're going to wash this head real good before we put it on the engine anyway. So I'm okay with that for a little while. But what I really didn't want any particles of dirt to get in there and get all around the valve and the valve seat and then get sucked into the engine when we fired it up, okay? So that's the purpose of the shaving cream. It's a good little trick, especially works great when you're actually maybe putting an intake manifold on a car with the engine still in the car, and you definitely don't want anything getting down into your intake runners, so it works great for that. So now we'll go ahead and flip the head over, and we'll do the intake side as well and finish this job. Okay, now we're on the intake side of the cylinder head. We'll give it a squirt inside each one. Give it a minute. It always like swells up a little bit on you, so you don't have to put quite as much in there. And we'll pack it around there. Make sure we got it all in there good. We don't want nothing falling down in there. And we'll go ahead and get our Ziz wheel and start cleaning this side as well. Okay, with the intake side done, I'm gonna go ahead and flip on our vacuum cleaner again, and we will Okay guys, hey, this pretty much wraps up our little video today. I just wanted to show you that quick little tip here with the shaving cream when you're cleaning up a cylinder head. Check out this series here. We got a series of, I don't know how many videos we're going to have, probably 20 or 30 videos on this 2.5 liter Ford engine. And hopefully you will enjoy them and come back and check out a few more as we go. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Check out that description down below for some cool stuff. Have a great day.